Welcome back to my IT Help Desk Professional tutorial. So in this video, I'll be discussing why you should choose this course to become an IT Help Desk Professional and who is an IT Help Desk Professional. First of all, if you choose to become an IT Help Desk Professional, your skills will be proven valuable in any industry all over the world. So whatever IT sector you choose to serve, once you've gained your qualification, you will have numerous opportunity at your doorsteps. As you may know, IT is advancing quicker than any other industry in the world, and almost all business around the world, it doesn't actually mean if it is medical, farmers, they all need IT operation to assist them to become more efficient. Therefore, even if it is not for you soon to actually use that professional you've learned, you always have a qualification that could prove to be difference in landing on that job in a completely different career. Secondly, you have many career landing climbing opportunity. So, for example, the IT industry is huge. So, why many people feel it's just sitting at a computer role, but for you, it could give you the opportunity to climb to other level. For example, to become an IT software engineer, an IT network engineer, or even an IT system engineer. Thirdly, you have the opportunity to work in a comfortable environment. As you may know, most IT technical jobs are office-based jobs. So becoming an IT help desk professional will give you access to work in a comfortable place. Working in a comfortable environment is almost as good as guaranteed. Just, you don't work outside, you don't work actually in a factory, but you work at your own office. Some company actually provide you with a personal office and a personal device and even a company car. And also, fourthly, as you know, technology is always advancing. So one of the biggest benefits of getting into the IT industry is that there will always be more opportunity for you to consider. So technology is growing every day, and with more and more great ideas that are coming through to compete with other products and software, you are always going to be in demand. It could even pave the way for you to launch your own business in the future, which could provide even more bigger financial reward for you, definitely, and your family. So now you want to actually ask, who is an IT help desk professional? What does an IT help desk professional actually do? An IT help desk professional is someone that balances customer service skills with technical competency to assist employees with computer or technological issues. So internal help desk professional participate in hardware and software purchase and installation and work with employees to resolve IT problems. So one of your major goals as an IT help desk professional is to actually assist employee to resolve their IT problems. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to actually configure your lab. What do we actually need to be able to follow up on this training? So if you have gone so far to this point, I believe you still have the option or you still have the idea of becoming an IT help desk professional, or you want to actually improve your skills as an IT help desk professional. Try and watch this video to the end, and definitely you're going to learn a lot.